Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Katzelcreate and welcome back to our channel. So today I am doing a Beebeecraft project share, and these are some of the items that I received from Beebeecraft. Now, here you go. I got these dangle charms, bird, and you get 1,000 of these in the package, and these are amazing. I love them. Oh my goodness. So anyways, let me show you really quick before I continue on. Now you can take this part of the charm, this loop out of if you don't want it. What I use these for, I will show you what I ended up using this, but before I forget to do this, I'm going to go ahead and show you. Now, these are amazing tools. I love this one right here, my second favorite and my least favorite. Now, the reason I say this is my least favorite, it's because I feel like the grip, like it doesn't really hold. It might be just me, but that's the way I feel about it. I feel like it's not a good grip. So see how that falls. I don't know if it's just my hand that doesn't have the the strength, but what I did with some of these, I took out the loopy part and you left with the dove like this, and I use these in different ways, so you're not stuck with just using the same dangle. I do apologize for my voice is kind of going out on me. So anyways, so this is what I did on some of them. And let me show you what I ended up creating. So I'm doing ATCs, and I ended up doing a shaker. Now this shaker right here I went ahead and colored these doves with alcohol ink, and I went ahead and glued them on there. But then I also went ahead and cut the ends of this birdies and made them into shaker pieces. So as you guys could see, there's a whole bunch of little birdies in there. So awesome way to use this. Awesome. Then I also made this ATC. As you guys could see, the birdies are right here, and I thought this was an awesome accent to my project right there. So there's one too. And then I also wanted to show you guys these are dangles that I ended up creating. So what I ended up like on this one as well, I went ahead and used a Sharpie marker, which was Sharpie marker, and just went ahead and colored it. So you could use Sharpie colors or Sharpie markers, alcohol inks. You could use nail polish if you have nail polish. I didn't have any, so that's why I did not use that on there. So I went ahead and dangled these on here, and as you guys could see, this is the same thing as I used right here. So how cute is that? So just wanted to show you guys what I've created, my project share for Beebeecraft. Now I also wanted to let you guys know about their Beebeecraft YouTube program. Anyway, so for that, if you are a YouTube creator, you make videos on YouTube and have over 100 subscribers and are willing to make videos for Beebeecraft, just go ahead and email them. I will link that program down on the description below. Email them, let them know you're interested. They will get back to you and basically give you some rules of how they want you to proceed if they want to have you showcase their items. Now I do have a coupon code, so any purchase over $40 you get $5 off with Kathy5. Just insert that on the coupon code when you are doing your final order, and basically you get $5 off any $40 purchase. As well, if you purchase anything over $25, you usually get free shipping, so do check that out. Take advantage of it. Their products are amazing. Love their products. And that's about it right now. So anyways, thank you for taking the time to watch. I will link all the items that I did receive for this last time on my description below, so you guys could go over and check them out. And again, thank you for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.